supplements
Lay
and
down.
guarantee your best checkup ever. Introducing Omega Q Plus Max, the super supplement that features a unique combination of clinically studied ingredients to
good
promote
boy.
healthy blood pressure, cholesterol, inflammatory
Yes.
response, blood sugar, blood flow, even brain and eye health. And right now,
Lay
you
down.
can get a complimentary sample of Max just by texting MILD to
Lay down.
321 321. But talk is cheap, so we'll put our money where our mouth is. We are so sure you'll experience the Max difference. We'll guarantee your next checkup is the best ever. That's right. Some of your best blood pressure, cholesterol, blood sugar, and increased energy, or your money back. Get your complimentary sample of Max by texting MILD to 321 321.
It's okay. It's okay. I was just laughing at the TV. It's okay. It's okay. Good boy.
We knew he would have his moments to shine. He's taking advantage. He's got 15 here in the first half. Nice take to the rest.
Here he's again. Navigation. Likes the ice of his
Good boys.
little flow out from the left side. Good. LeBron and the Lakers have their biggest halftime lead, 70-49. Kendrick Nunn with 15, 7, 10. Dennis Schroeder, 3 for 3 for 12. LeBron with 10 and 9.